Hi everyone, I'm Elena Paraskeva, a conceptual portrait fashion and commercial photographer and art director. Join me on Adobe Live for a detailed behind-the-scenes look of how I create and edit a conceptual photography composite in Photoshop. I will show you how I implement my vision of a modern-day Rapunzel trapped in a room simply by using a box with a cutout window, using textures to make it look real, using blend modes to seamlessly integrate my subject into the scene, creating realistic shadows, and finally applying proper color grading and redirecting light in camera raw to tie it all together. Tune in to have all of your questions answered and to connect with other members of the live community. Please leave a comment if there's anything specific you'd like me to cover. I cannot wait to see you all there. Take care.